Hey you, let me guess. New year, new me, right? How's that going for you? Well, let's start with small habits to becoming the new you. Let me teach you how to make Seamoss Gel at home. This miraculous skunk of stringy, wormy-looking substance is said to have 92 of the 102 minerals your body needs. To prepare, begin with cleansing the bunch with alkaline water till clean. As you cleanse it, you'll see bits and pieces of debris be released, and you'll feel it begin to soften and expand. Just some of the amazing things this powerful holistic blessing will do for you are reduction of inflammation, promote weight loss, cleanse your blood, boost immunity, increased energy, detoxify your body, muscle recovery, support gut health, anti-cancer effects, promotes healthy skin and hair, my fave, ease anxiety, depression, and stress. After thoroughly cleansing, place in a glass container soaked in alkaline water for expansion of triple size overnight or a minimum of 8 hours. Hello to the next day. Just look at that plumpness of the lung-like sea moss. Funny I say that because sea moss is so good for your lungs, assisting in excess mucus removal for my fellow stoners and smokers. The benefits continue on with supporting thyroid and brain function, vision, respiratory healing, aids in healing and recovery of muscles and wounds, and so much more. Can you believe it? This one's for you two boys. Thank me later when you take a mouthful of the sea moss, popping it into a blender with even more body healing alkaline water, towering to the brim of the sea moss. Within seconds, the texture is created. Gummy like applesauce, tasteless and odorless, I mini jar some for my skincare usage. Glistening with its healing power, I'm ready to make the rest for consumption. Popping some dates in for sweetness so it's more enjoyable, plus added antioxidants, fiber, and much more from the dates. Even more delicious, some organic frozen mango chunks for optimal tropical mouthfuls of this goodness. Mixing it up for even blending. I added a bit more water for smoother blending away to the perfect dollops for my daily tablespoon of this delectable sea moss. Ready to consume, heal me, and get me closer to becoming the healthiest version of Lexine. I hope you guys dabble in this recipe as you journey to healing you for your future self, inspire your loved ones, and ignite these little differences for our better tomorrow. As always, love Lexine.